Hi, I'm Dr. Peters with Peters Wellness Chiropractic and Massage. This week's quick video, I want to discuss a topic, and I'm going to read something out of the Optimal Health University to get your attention. And that is, persistent stress is linked with increased risk of chronic long-term illnesses such as stroke, heart disease, cancer, depression, anxiety, and chronic pain. And with that headline, with that topic, is the idea of honing your skills for conflict resolution. How can you resolve conflicts in your life that can cause energy drains, right? The whole idea of, think of a little kid who's whining at you and whining at you and whining at you. When we have these conflicts with people, even if you don't notice it, it can take some of the life out of you, take some of your energy and misdirect it into areas that you don't need, man. You just don't need it. And, I don't have a lot of conflict in my life. My wife is on the same page with me. Doesn't mean everything's always perfect. But when I'm making business decisions, I get her input. When I'm making personal decisions about my health and about things, I get her input. I want her input because she is a big part of me. And at the office, when we have things going, there might be some conflict in between with employees and stuff. So what do? Number one is you take time out of the equation. And actually, we're in the middle of training new staff right now. And luckily, the staff member we brought on is very sharp. She's doing a great job. But having the regular business coming in and then training somebody at the same time can create some conflict. And what happened was my staff came to me. We recognized it, and was it last Friday morning? We set a time. I'm like, well, we're gonna have to cover this sometime next week. And I'm like, no, what am I doing? Why am I adding time to the equation? Why am I gonna let things stir and get worse? So we handled the conflict immediately. We got together as a group. I got the whiteboard behind me. We do our trainings on there, and I just wrote down, okay, what is it? What are the responsibilities? What are we training on first? And recognizing that we had set up a system of what we were going to do, and I had literally pulled people out of that situation, and we weren't following what I had said we would do, because I'm not up at the front. I can hear things that are happening, but I'm not there, not watching everything. And I just started to take it as, oh yeah, we got another person up there, and I was creating the freaking conflict myself. So recognizing the part that I played in it, which if someone hadn't pointed it out, I didn't even see it. So having a team of people on your side to say, hey, something's wrong over here. You got to look at this. It's like, dude, my focus is, I'm 2-3 years ahead. I know where I want to go. I know where I want to get to. But having people sometimes say, hey, dude, we got to fix this problem over here. So listening to those around you, that is just one key component. And surrounding yourself with something I heard recently. It was a multitude of allies. Ty Lopez spoke at the 10X Growth Conference up in Las Vegas. And Ty is someone I've been following for, I think, 3 years now. And he said, you got to surround yourself with a multitude of allies so that you have people who have strengths that you don't have. People are where you want to get to. You want to surround yourself with those people so that you can learn their habits, learn their traits, and to get better and better. And conflict resolution is a big deal. You don't want conflict sucking the life out of you, taking your energy, distracting you from what your mission and what your goal is. What is your why? What is your purpose? So if you've got conflict in your life, maybe you can think of things like you want a certain thing. You want certain things in your life, and yet you're doing things that are taking you in the wrong direction. If you want success and you want better health and you're drinking soda every day, or if you want to not get sick so often, but you're not taking supplements and you're not getting enough sleep and you're not dealing with stressful situations, that is a conflict. You have a conflict within yourself. You have conflicts with other people. Write them down, figure out what they are, and freaking smash them and get them out of your life so that you can live a life on purpose and you can have more of what you want and you can do more for those around you. Have an awesome week.